Every plant has this sentence. It's a maintenance issue. It sounds harmless. It sounds logical. But this is where engineering responsibility quietly disappears. The system was designed correctly. The calculations were verified. Commissioning was successful, so if it fails later, it must be maintenance. That belief feels safe because it protects the design. What actually happens, maintenance doesn't fix the root. They restore operation, again and again. They compensate for a system that was never stable to begin with. Systems drift, flow changes, heat transfer degrades, clearances increase, sensors misread. None of this is sudden. It's slow, and slow failures are the most expensive. Because no one owns them. So maintenance adjusts, increase speed, increase pressure, override control limits. The system survives. But stability erodes. The design assumptions begin to expire. Engineering optimized for day 1. Maintenance lives on year 7. Different horizons, different incentives. Same system. That gap is where cost accumulates. The system amplifies early shortcuts, oversized pumps, tight margins, control loops tuned for clean conditions. When degradation begins, instability grows nonlinearly, and the original design is never questioned. Engineering says, it met specification. Maintenance says, it keeps failing. The system says nothing. It just continues reacting to physics. Maintenance remembers every assumption, because they live with its consequences. Engineering signs off. Maintenance absorbs the drift. Unfiltered truth. Systems do not fail from wear alone. They fail from forgotten decisions. This is not anti-maintenance. This is not anti-design. This is anti-forgetting. Engineering responsibility does not end at commissioning. Systems always have the final say.